Okay then folks, hope everyone is all okay. So it's currently Sunday, working on the Sabbath, which is bad. I'm just finishing off this job. It's an absolutely humongous cover, as in height wise it goes. It's massive. It's like 1300 tall by probably 1500 wide. So I'm just trimming this bit of oak down, 1700 wide. Just trimming this bit of oak down. I had it glued up. Got the track set now. I'll cut it and then I'll show you. And then that just goes on top of the cover and that's got to be delivered. But this is one of the jobs I just need to get out of the way. Absolutely love the smell of oak. Whew, especially freshly cut oak. Fills the workshop with so much joy. So, excuse me. So that's just been cut down to size in the width. 235. Winner. Chicken dinner. A little bit of a check there, so I've had to just pop a little bit of filler in, which is not a problemo. Originally this was the underside. That was meant to be the face, but it just didn't turn out to be the nice side, unfortunately. So I'll clean that edge off. Just take the hairiest of hairs off that. That's got to be 65.5 in old money. Yeah. I'm going to do that in passes, just like I done the last one. Oh, it's so annoying that they're different. Need to get a new bench made. I think that'll be the job for the winter when it gets a little quieter. Well, we're not far off the winter now, are we? Right. We'll get this cross cut now. Yep, so we've got that now. That's cut. It's cut to the size we need. Nice bit of 80. I'm just going to sand that away for a wee bit. You know, just a quick thing, when I see people using sanders, and it makes me laugh, just let the sander do the work. I see so many people use them like this, and they use it like a fucking angle grinder, and it just causes problems. Just let the sander do the work. The paper and the sander, they put that much technology into these machines that I personally think you don't need all that downward pressure and all of this to fucking get a thing down. Just sand it down. Just take your time in the first place and just sand down what you need to. Beautiful. Run out of Danish, so I'm going to try this. Put it on my doors in my bedroom and it worked pretty well. Just a hard wax oil, really nice. So if I get that opened, please tell me I am not the only one that sniffs something as soon as I open it. Oh, fucking weirdo. Right. So this particular hard wax oil, I've used a few of them now. You put it on quite thick, I say quite thick, heavy-ish. Leave it for about half an hour, and then you just buff it off. So works quite well. Works quite well on the oak. Works well on the oak veneer doors I've got in the bedroom. Gave it a personal test, so I was quite happy with that. Absolutely love it when you just put something on the oak, don't you? Pop that grain. Because what I'll do is I'll come back and we'll just wipe that off after about half an hour, and then so as you can see, it's dried or soaked in a hell of a lot. But I don't know if that will come up, but it's very, see that residue on there. So get the rag and just wipe this off, okay? Wipe it off. Then I'll just get this on the old go. Whether that'll work or not, might do. There we go. Turn that down. Just buff it up. And nothing beats a good finish by hand. That, pretty happy with that. Okay then, so that big cover that you just saw me working on with the oak, that's now in the spray booth, that's all done. I've got, just getting a few things in check. I've got 3 3 covers and a little meter box to sort out. It's nothing nothing massive, the meter box, just a box to cover the amenities in the utilities in the living room. So I'm going to get these done now. I've got all the legs cut and glued up. I'm not going to bother boring you with any of this because I've literally just dropped a video on doing radiator covers, but I just want to give you guys a, you know, daily log, a little bit of a run through on what I'm doing. Still too fucking lazy to cut the pocket holes on that. I can't be asked to move all that, so it's back to this again. £300 machine, and it's just sat there. Not good, guys, not good. So I'm going to whiz through these, get these made up, probably give you another little run back, and then we're on to these with the ASAP. So I'll try and pop a picture up anyway so you can see, but they're really nice planters for a local business, so yeah, they'll be good. And then it's on to the next one. So I don't know when, but I will see you guys someday. Don't know where, don't know when. Alright folks, see you in a bit. Hey folks, so just a quick mid-roll update. We've got 2 out of the 3 made. That one's just got to have the slats put on. I'll cut them down in a wee bit and get them on. This one is actually finished now. It's going unfinished. They wanted it raw so they can paint it themselves. No arguments from me. This one is got to be sprayed in 2 parts because the top is a different colour to the base. Customer wanted a white base with a grey top, so each to their own, I suppose. Customer's always right some of the times. That one's got the little meter box I told you about at the start, so I'm going to smash through that, get that. Oh my days. So I feel that all I do is radiator covers, and to be quite honest, that is all I do. Radiator covers. But do you know, I've got these down now to a system, and the system works, I think. I was saying to my partner the other night I could make these in my sleep, and if any of you have got any ideas, I would love to scale the covers up. So if any of you brilliant business brains out there have got any ideas on how I could sort of what's the word I'm after, scale it up and make it not so much churn work. I still like the bespoke side of it, but if anyone's got any ideas on how I could multiply that without making them sort of off the shelf, because that's not what I'm about. Everything's bespoke, which is nice, but I just feel like the covers are really fun to make, and they're quick to make. I know it feels like it's a long time in the video, but just because it's segments of everything, that's all. But yeah, if anyone's got any ideas, I'd appreciate it. Just drop me a message. I'd love a chat as well. Anyone is out there? Oh dear. Hey, I'll tell you something, that's the only bit of Makita you'll see in my shop. The only bit of Makita. So I'm going to cut this one. Off now. Video's getting a bit longer at 20 minutes, I think already. We've got an exciting week next week. We're going to be on some. We're going to be on some planters. They're indoor planters. They're a slatted style, painted black. So that will be a fun one. I've made a couple of little jigs here. Couple of fun little jigs. So this will show you. I'll show you exactly what they're for. They're to go in there. So that'll be a fun one. The radiator covers are coming to an end, or slowing down a little bit actually. So I'm probably going to have an influx of them, because I always do, which is nice. No complaints there. So I'm going to give this workshop a bit of a clean up. I hope you are liking these videos. They are a vloggy style point of view, sort of what I get up to during the weeks of the year. So I hope you're enjoying them. Any questions, just pop them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. So I'm going to leave it there. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will catch you all on the next one.